Hello there, and welcome back to another episode of Western Roundup. Today, we share how Tiny Tots from a St. Anne-based school are benefiting from a much-needed upgrade of their learning center. Stay put. This is something you don't want to miss. Studies show that the first 1,000 days of a child's life are critical to their development. That's why the Early Childhood Commission, ECC, is ensuring that all institutions which cater to our little ones are equipped to give them the highest quality education and learning environment to make Jamaica the place of choice to live, work, raise families, and do business. The latest institution which has been taking steps to qualify for ECC certification is Clapham Basic School, and from all accounts, the institution is inching closer and closer to its goal.
The school has been working for certification. They are not quite there yet, and one of the needs that they had is painting. So in our standard 4, we speak to the physical environment, and as you can see, it really needed a facelift. The environment was not aesthetically appealing, so that's why we're here today.
The school building received a facelift courtesy of the ECC, the Sandals Foundation, the Canadian High Commission, as well as Canadian vessel, the HMCS Margaret Brooke.
It is vital because we are up for certification, and we are at like 97%, and I think this the painting is holding us back. So I think our school now is painted. We will get our 100%, so we'll be certified in short order. On behalf of the Clapham Community Business School, we appreciate the crew, everybody, your excellency, you and your team, Sandals Foundation, everybody. We appreciate you coming and giving our school and our community a facelift. And words are inadequate to express our gratitude, and we are saying thanks from all of us here.
The Clapham-based institution also received school supplies, cleaning materials, and food items for the children. Students from neighboring communities including Blue Hole, Foreman's Hill, Swamp, and Monique also benefited from the donation.
So if you've got a clean environment, a safe environment, it's really going to help you learn. So they look at this and go, yeah, this is a good place to be, because you want school to be a safe place for kids to be, especially in a rural community where some of these kids are traveling far.
Well, I hope when they walk into school, they see a nice brightly painted school and it brings smiles to their face, and know that they're in a good place that will be able to provide them some good learning. It feels good, and you can hear the chuckles from the crew when they're painting. You can hear the smiles and see the smiles, so I'm pretty sure that pretty confident everyone's enjoying what they're doing today.
That's all for the program today. As usual, thank you for joining us for Western Roundup, where we take you from the corners of St. Elizabeth to the hilly terrains of St. Anne. Remember to send your feedback to jismobe@jis.gov.jm. Until next time, take care.